Today we're looking at experimental data. This is part of statistics, where we're saying we've got two types of data, continuous and categorical data. So let's just look at the subcategories to say, in such a situation, which kind of test would you use and why and all that, because you find that the decision-making process for students is really tough at times because they don't know which method to use. So starting off with continuous data, there's unpaired and there's paired data. So paired data, this is where you have the same subject be under observations. Maybe say if it's a clinical test and you find that you measure the condition before and then you measure after, but the person being measured is the same. So it's the same population and same sample that undergoes the two tests before and after. So that's why they're called paired. Now with that one, if you can recognize the fact that there's some common subject, then you know you're going to use the paired t-test. And then if it's unpaired, where it's different tests for different groups that are under comparison, and then you want to compare the data to the mean, right? So you use unpaired test. And if you're comparing data to the standard deviation, then you use the chi-square test for variance. Okay, so this is quite a nice visual representation of how you would make decisions when faced with a statistical process that you have to undergo. And then categorical data, it's going to be chi-square tests for goodness or fit. So that's an overall representation of the process, decision-making process, and it's self-explanatory, it's really clear. So just know, is it continuous data or is it categorical? Is it paired or unpaired? And then you know which test to be able to use in a given situation. Thank you very much.